Hey guys, now I'm going to teach you how to do number 6 from the review sheet. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is multiply straight across your numerators and your denominators. In the numerator, when I multiply straight across, I get 14i. In the denominator, I'm going to have to actually distribute. So I'm going to do 9i times 3, which gives me 27i. And 9i times negative 8i, which gives me negative 72i squared. Alright, since I have I squared in the denominator, I have to remember that equals negative 1. So what I'm really doing right here is negative 72 times negative 1, which of course is positive 72. So, to write it in correct form of a complex number in my denominator, I'm going to put the 72 first, and then the positive 27i, just so that it's written in the form of a plus bi. And then I'll leave my 14i in the numerator. All right, now I got to conjugate. Remember, it's the opposite sign of what's in the denominator. So that will be 72 minus 27i. And of course, whatever you do to the denominator, you have to do to the numerator. All right. Again, to do that trick that we do in the denominator, you're going to take 72 and square it, and 27 and square it. We get those two numbers, you add them up. 72 squared is 5,184. 27 squared is 729. When I add those two numbers up, I get 5,913. So that is going to be my answer in the denominator. Remember to pause this video whenever you get stuck. All right. Now, my numerator, I'm going to distribute. So 14i times 72 gives me 1,008i. And 14i times negative 27i gives me negative 378i squared. Since I have an I squared in the numerator, remember that equals negative 1. So I'm really saying negative 378 times negative 1, which gives me that positive 378. To write it in correct form in the numerator, I'm going to have 378 plus 1,008i, and then my denominator is 5,913. And that's it.